In Mathcad, sometimes you will create a table or a matrix and you'll be missing some values, so you'll end up getting an error. Here I have a table. You can see that there are some red marks in here where I have some empty values. If I put my mouse into the cell and then click on it, it tells me I have a missing term or expression. Let me tell you what this table is. I grabbed it from Mill Standard 810. This is used in random vibration analyses. And so for a given frequency, you're going to have an acceleration spectral density. And I have 4 different profiles, but not every profile has a value for every given frequency. And I don't want to fill in a value of 0 because that would be incorrect. I also don't want to interpolate between the different values. For that reason, you can use a special constant in Mathcad called not a number. So in this location, I will type in capital N, little a, capital N, and that is not a number. I will cursor to the right to fill in this missing one, capital N, little a, capital N. Let me go over 2 more spots to get to the one on the right for the envelope profile, NaN. And if I click outside of my table, well, you can see that the next row with missing values is highlighting those different values. Let's take a look at what happens if I try to evaluate one of these profiles. Let's say that I type in vertical and then hit the equal sign. Well, I get the error that the variable is undefined. Check that the label is set correctly. Well, here we have vertical, but the problem is we're missing some different values. So now I'm going to go in and fill in the rest of the empty cells with NaNs. All right, I filled in all the different NaNs. Now I'm going to click outside of the table, and you'll see that we can actually evaluate vertical this time with the different values because we have the NaNs, the not a numbers, filling in all the different empty placeholders in the table. So there you have it. That's how you can use NaN when you are missing certain values for a table or a matrix.